This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelet fried rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes about 2 cups of cold, day-old rice, 2 large eggs, and your choice of finely diced vegetables like carrots, peas, and corn. Also, measure out your sauces, such as 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get started on the fried rice base. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a hot wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Add your prepared vegetables and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, introduce the cold, day-old rice, breaking up any clumps. Stir-fry for another 3 to 4 minutes, then add your sauces, ensuring everything is well combined and heated through. Next, we'll prepare the star of the dish, the omelette. In a small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are just combined and slightly frothy. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a separate non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour the egg mixture into the pan, swirling it to create a thin, even layer. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges are set and the center is still a little moist. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your delicious omelet fried rice. Gently slide the perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Spoon a generous portion of your hot, flavorful fried rice directly onto the center of the omelet. Carefully fold the sides of the omelet over the rice, creating a beautiful, neat parcel. Garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a drizzle of sriracha for an extra kick, and enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.